It's Zahava here from Blossoming at Home. Today I want to teach you how to make a flower out of crochet. So what you need is very thick thread, like wool, those very thick ones, and a good crochet needle. So here we go. Now here we need those kind of threads, like this thick, and we need this type of a needle. It's 3.0 millimeters. Okay, so now we're going to start. We're going to take it like this, leave a little tail here, and make once like this and twice. And then you can start doing it, or you can just do like this. Take it, make like this. One like this. So now you take it towards, you point the needle towards the longer one. Now you're going to take it and you're going to make like this, around 6 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to go like this into the one you had, into the first one. So you're going to do all the way from here into the first one, and then you're just going to make one like this. Now you're going to do like this, and you're going to keep going. Now you poke into the next one beside you, and beside the needle, so in the next hole here, and like this. And now we're going to do like this. So you just have to keep putting it into the hole, and then you'll have a round circle. So now you just keep going and keep going. Now you put it in here. You do like this. You take it and you put this one through the hole. And then we're coming now to the end. So we need to be careful to only take one string, because you can get knots if you don't do it like that. So now we came to the end. Now where we need to make the knot. So we take here, we do like this, we put it in one. Now you have two. You don't put this one through this. You just take another little piece and put it through both, like this. And if you make a little mistake, it does not matter, because it's not the easiest thing to do. Now you just have to be careful that you make this one tight like this, and then you make it again and once more. So you make it 3 times. Now what you do is you take it here and you cut it. Now you pull one, and now you make it super tight here, and now you got a little circle. Now we have to cut those strings off carefully, but not too much, because then we'll lose the knot. And now we're gonna take the purple string, but we're gonna do it differently this time. Now you poke the needle through one of these, through one of the crochets you already did. Now you take this string, and you do like this, and you put this part in here. So now you'll start crocheting with the like with the thing. You don't have to make any knot this time. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a line like 3 or 4. So 1, 2, the same like the other one, 3, 4. Now after you've got 4, you just turn it a bit and you put it into the one next to you, to the crochet you just did. Now you pull it in and you put it in through here. Now you start getting a petal. Later you'll see it more than now, but now you will do again 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, you just poke it in through the one next to you. And that's how we will go on. Now after time, you'll have a nice flower. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Poke it in again through here. Just don't make it too tight because then you will not put the needle through. Now you have to poke this through here. Now you're starting to get petals, sort of like this. And then you need to do it again. You do like this. 1, just be careful not to take another string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 second. Oh my gosh. 4. Okay, now good. You poke it in through the next one to the hole in the hole next to it, and as before, you pull it in like this. You pull it through, and you keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you put it here. And now we're having the last one. So we do again. Just normal 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Second. Now we take it and we put it here. We do like this, and we take it again and we put it through both. Like this. And then we cut it here. Now we tighten it like this. Now we cut the little strings here off. And now you got a little flower. So now what you can use it for is you can make hair bands with it. You can decorate a shirt or clothes or whatever you want to make with it, or a clip. So yeah, now you know how to do it. Bye.